For the first experiment, we're going to put some wax on top of, some pieces of wax on top of the aluminum foil, and then we're going to melt that wax with the alcohol burner, and then watch how it melts over time and how long it takes. Okay, so how long it takes for it fully to melt. Now we're going to wait for this one to cool down and see what will happen with this wax.
In grade 7 essays on
Okay, now you can see how it solidifies afterwards.
Like you're gonna have some gin.
Test number 2, we are going to add HCl. Okay, HCl diluted into a test tube, about 1/3. One-third full. Okay, so this amount. Okay, and then add copper carbonate. This much. Okay, into this one, and then observe what will happen. Three, we're gonna place 25 milliliter of water in a beaker, small beaker, and then add one spatula of salt. Okay, and then stir it. Observe how it's diluted. So, explain the scenario for this. Please keep this one for the next experiment. In the last experiment, we're going to use this diluted salt in the water, and then you're going to place it in an evaporating basin. Then set up a tripod with a burner. Okay, place it underneath. And then watch how long it takes to evaporate the water and the separation of water and salt in it. Right. Starting to form some bubbles in the diluted salt solution. For the next experiment, we're going to pour 2 centimeters of sodium carbonate, and another one is cobalt chloride in a beaker. Okay. In the test tube. Okay. So around this much. Okay, and then going to be put another one, the same amount. So roughly around here. Okay, so what can you observe? Okay. This experiment, what you will need is lithium metal and some water in a beaker. Okay. Wait, it's not going. Okay, you need some pellets of lithium metal. Okay, please do not poke the lithium metal in it, and then please slowly put it in the water and observe what will happen. So please. We're going to be placing a 2 centimeter copper sulfate, okay, copper sulfate into the test tube, and then adding zinc powder, okay, for the temperature.